Why did dinosaurs rule the world for so long? The answer isn't just size or ferocity. It's a story of luck, adaptation, and survival. To understand their rise, we must travel back 252 million years to the end of the Permian period. Back then, the world was ruled by strange mammal-like reptiles and giant amphibians. Then, disaster struck. Massive volcanic eruptions in Siberia unleashed chaos, darkening skies and poisoning oceans. This triggered the greatest extinction event in Earth's history, the Great Dying, wiping out over 90% of marine life and 70% of land vertebrates. The dominant creatures vanished, leaving a barren, hostile world. But this devastation created opportunity. In the aftermath, small, resilient reptiles called archosaurs survived. Once minor players, these archosaurs had traits that let them thrive in the harsh, low-oxygen world. They would become the ancestors of crocodiles, pterosaurs, and most importantly, dinosaurs. The stage was set for a new dynasty. Without the Great Dying, dinosaurs might never have risen at all. In this empty world, the archosaurs' moment had arrived. The world was ready for a new kind of ruler. The archosaurs weren't yet dinosaurs, but they had a secret weapon, a highly efficient bird-like breathing system. This one-way airflow let them extract more oxygen, crucial in the post-extinction world. They also evolved an upright posture, pulling their legs beneath their bodies for speed and endurance. This new body plan allowed them to run, hunt, and escape danger with agility. These adaptations, superior lungs and upright gait, were the blueprint for the dinosaur dynasty. As the Triassic period progressed, these proto-dinosaurs diversified, experimenting with new forms and lifestyles. They remained small, living in the shadows of larger archosaurs, but they were evolving rapidly. The final piece was their metabolism, a unique system called mesothermy. This allowed them to generate some body heat, grow quickly, and stay active, but with lower energy needs than mammals. It was the perfect balance for survival. With these advantages, dinosaurs were poised to take over. Their secret weapons were built in. The world was theirs for the taking. Around 230 million years ago, the first true dinosaurs appeared, small, agile, and ready for opportunity. Another extinction event cleared out their rivals, opening the door for dinosaurs to dominate. They rapidly diversified, filling every niche, from tiny hunters to massive plant eaters. Three main groups emerged: theropods, the two-legged predators; sauropodomorphs, the long-necked giants; and ornithischians, the armored and horned herbivores. Each group evolved unique defenses and strategies, fueling an evolutionary arms race. Dinosaurs conquered every continent, from tropics to polar regions. Some developed feathers, likely for insulation or display, a trait that would shape the future. For 165 million years, dinosaurs thrived, adapting and diversifying like no other group before them. Their reign was built on speed, power, and innovation. They were the undisputed rulers of the land. Their evolutionary advantages were unmatched. The age of dinosaurs had truly begun. Their dominance seemed unbreakable. Dinosaurs weren't slow, cold-blooded lizards. They were dynamic, powerful, and efficient. Their mesothermic metabolism let them grow fast and stay active, even in cooler temperatures. Unlike mammals, they didn't need to eat constantly, making them more resilient in tough times. This metabolic edge fueled their rapid growth and massive size. Sauropods, the largest land animals ever, could thrive on land thanks to this unique physiology. Their upright posture and strong skeletons supported their titanic bodies. Dinosaurs became true giants, shaping entire ecosystems. Their physiology powered their dynasty, outcompeting mammal-like reptiles and keeping mammals small for over 100 million years. While mammals hid in the shadows, dinosaurs ruled the day. Their success was rooted in their biology, a perfect engine for survival and dominance. They were the most successful land vertebrates of all time. Their reign was a triumph of evolutionary engineering. For 165 million years, dinosaurs reigned supreme until disaster struck. 66 million years ago, a massive asteroid impact triggered global catastrophe. Fires, tsunamis, and a sun-blocking dust cloud collapsed the food chain. The largest dinosaurs, unable to adapt, perished. But one group survived: small, feathered theropods, the ancestors of modern birds. Their size, feathers, and beaks helped them endure the harsh new world. As their giant relatives vanished, these avian dinosaurs took flight into a new era. Today, every bird is a living dinosaur, carrying the legacy of their ancient ancestors. The dinosaurs never truly disappeared. They simply changed. Their dynasty lives on in the 10,000 bird species around us. So next time you see a sparrow or a pigeon, remember, you're looking at a dinosaur. The age of dinosaurs never truly ended. their story continues, feathered and alive.